Windows XP was a popular operating system released by Microsoft in 2001, known for its user-friendly interface and improved stability and performance. It introduced features such as the Start menu, taskbar, and built-in support for wireless networking. Windows XP, which stands for Experience, was developed by Microsoft as the successor to Windows 2000 and Windows ME. It was released on October 25, 2001, and aimed to combine the reliability of the Windows 2000 kernel with the ease of use of Windows 98. Windows XP introduced a more user-friendly interface with features like the Start menu, taskbar, and System Restore. It also offered improved performance, stability, and security compared to its predecessors. Windows XP had a significant impact on the computer industry, revolutionizing the way people interacted with personal computers and popularizing features such as the Start menu and taskbar. Windows XP had a user interface and design that introduced the iconic lunar visual style, featuring colorful and rounded elements, smooth gradients, and a clean appearance. The Start menu and taskbar were redesigned for improved usability, and the control panel had a more organized layout for system settings. Microsoft officially ended support for Windows XP on April 8, 2014, which means that the operating system no longer receives updates or security patches. As a result, using Windows XP poses a significant security risk as it becomes more vulnerable to cyber threats and malware attacks. It is recommended for users to upgrade to a newer, supported version of Windows to ensure their system's security and performance. Looking back at Windows XP, we remember the iconic Bliss wallpaper, the soothing startup sound, and the introduction of the iconic Start menu. It was a time when the internet was becoming more accessible and desktop computers were a staple in most households.